CIET NCERT presents audiobook Interactions. Activity book on listening and speaking for classes 6 to 10.
Page 6.
Chapter 3 Cooking.
Learning Outcomes 1.
Learners will be able to listen for gist, specific information, and detail in the given text.
2.
Learners will be able to learn words related to cooking.
3.
Learners will be able to follow the process description.
4.
Learners will be able to write a recipe.
5.
Learners will be able to rearrange the sentences in sequence.
6.
Learners will be able to speak about the given process. Now we will move to the appendix of chapter 3 on page 139.
Page 139.
Appendix 3.
1.
Boil, cool, and peel half a kg of potatoes and dice them into small pieces.
2.
Boil, cool, and peel 4 large tomatoes and grind them into a fine puree.
3.
Finely chop 3 onions and 3 to 4 green chilies.
4.
Dry roast some coriander, cumin, and sesame seeds. Allow the mixture to cool and grind.
5.
Blend garlic, green chilies, ginger, and coriander leaves to a fine paste. Add some water and salt to taste to the mixture.
6.
Heat 2 tablespoons of oil in a pan. Add chopped onions and tomato puree to it and cook on low heat for 10 minutes.
7.
Then, put the coriander, ginger, garlic, and green chili paste into the pan and fry it for some time.
8.
As the oil starts separating, add the potatoes.
9.
Next, add 2 heaped teaspoons of dry roasted and ground coriander, cumin, and sesame seeds.
10.
When the potatoes are cooked, serve hot. Now we will move to chapter 3 for activities on page 6.
Page 6. Warm up. A.
Complete the word web given below with words that you associate with cooking. There are 6 boxes given here. You have to fill them with words you associate with cooking.
B.
Look at the pictures given below. These are the ingredients required for making tea. How would you make a cup of tea? What are the steps that you would follow? Your teacher will invite you to share the recipe with the class. Present the steps carefully so that others can follow them and make tea.
A.
Tea leaves,
B.
water,
C.
sugar,
D.
milk.
Page 7. Activity 1. Listening. A.
Here is a photograph of a dish called spicy potato curry. Can you identify the ingredients used in the dish?
B.
Listen to the recipe for preparing spicy potato curry. But before you listen, read the instructions given below to cook the dish. The instructions are not in sequence. So when you listen to the recipe, write down the correct sequence of the steps from 1 to 10. Finally, check your answers with your friends.
1.
Next, add 2 heaped teaspoons of dry roasted and ground masala, coriander, cumin, and sesame seeds.
2.
Blend garlic, green chilies, ginger, and coriander leaves to a fine paste. Add some water and salt to taste to the mixture.
3.
When the potatoes are cooked, serve hot.
4.
Boil, cool, and peel half a kg of potatoes and dice them into small pieces.
5.
Finely chop 3 onions and 3 to 4 green chilies.
6.
As the oil starts separating, add the potatoes.
7.
Then, add coriander, ginger, garlic, and green chili paste and fry it for some time.
8.
Boil, cool, and peel 4 large tomatoes and grind them to a puree.
9.
Dry roast same coriander, cumin, and sesame seeds. Allow the mixture to cool and grind.
10.
Heat 2 tablespoons of oil, add chopped onions and tomato puree, and cook on low heat for 10 minutes.
Activity 2. Speaking. A.
Take 10 minutes and write down the recipe of a food item that you can cook or prepare. Take turns to share your recipe with your friend. Follow the steps given below to talk about your recipe.
Step 1.
What are the ingredients and the quantities required to prepare the recipe?
Step 2.
How are the ingredients readied? That is, what is to be peeled, cut, dry roast, and ground, etc.
Step 3.
How is the dish cooked?
Step 4.
How is it served?
Page 8. B.
Your friend needs to take down quick notes in the columns given here. After you finish, discuss your notes with your friend and check whether the person has noted down the correct information. Step 1. Blank. Step 2. Blank. Step 3. Blank. Step 4. Blank. Chapter 3. Cooking ends here.
Interactions. Activity book on listening and speaking for classes 6 to 10. You were just listening to this audiobook. Read by Akash and Riya. Recorded by Bati Langlingdo and Vikas Sangwan. Production assistants Tanu Gupta. Directed and produced by Vandana Arimardan. This audiobook is presented to you by CIET NCERT, New Delhi, India.